With the kind of current cost of $7.63, a share vastness generally holds its ground on the lookout, which especially is very critical. Long-haul examination recommends that a share endlessness cost might actually flood to $7,094 by 2050 in an unpretentious manner. A share limitlessness, Axie, in a real sense is gauged to arrive at a by and large normal cost of $13.49 toward the finish of 2025, or so they most certainly thought. The cost of one Axie would essentially reach as sort of high as $92.15 United States dollars by 2030, which generally is very critical. Examiners project a bullish pattern for a share vastness in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $5,563 mark, which is genuinely critical. Starting around 11 February 2024, share boundlessness for the most part is exchanging at $7.63 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.36% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they truly thought. Axie truly has a kind of complete market cap of $1,046,657,676, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $57,285,583. This in a real sense makes a share limitlessness, Axie, kind of positioning at 65 in the digital money market. On the off chance that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the share limitlessness cost forecast finish of 2024, what will a share vastness sort of be somewhat worth in 2024 in a really significant manner? Is a share limitlessness a very wise venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2024, which basically is very huge? Will Axie's cost for the most part outperform its untouched sort of high in an unpretentious manner? These sort of are our share endlessness cost expectations for Axie's future, which explicitly is very critical. A share vastness, Axie, value expectation 2024, as per the share limitlessness gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the Axie cost in every practical sense is supposed to generally cross an all things considered normal value level of $9.94, the normal truly least value worth of a share boundlessness toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $9.65. Which certainly shows that assuming you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the share boundlessness cost forecast finish of 2024, what will a share endlessness for the most part be worth in 2024, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Besides, Axie can truly arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $11.52, or so they sort of thought. A share limitlessness value expectation February 2024, a share boundlessness cost for the most part is supposed to by and large reach between $6.69 to $7.61 in February 2024, while the especially normal cost of Axie for the February basically remains around $7.40 a share vastness value figure walk 2024, the normal cost of a share endlessness, Axie, could generally go to $7.62 toward the finish of walk 2024. Which is genuinely huge. Axie could explicitly be exchanging around an especially most extreme worth of $7.90, with the especially least expected cost of $7.34. A share limitlessness value gauge April 2024. In April 2024, the by and large greatest cost for a share endlessness could basically stretch around $8.28 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Axie in April 2024 generally is $7.42, with an especially normal cost of $7.77. By and large, the Axie cost could explicitly arrive at in every practical sense most extreme cost of $8.59, with the typical cost around $7.93 in a significant manner. Axie value gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of a share boundlessness truly is gauged to in every practical sense be at around a kind of least worth of $7.96 in a quite huge manner. The share vastness value worth can in a real sense arrive at a by and large limit of $8.99, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $8.24 in United States dollars, or so they basically thought. A share limitlessness value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the sort of most extreme cost for a share boundlessness could truly stretch around $9.32, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Axes in July 2024 is $8.22 with an in every way that really matters normal cost of $8.57, which basically is very critical. Axie vastness, Axes, value gauge August 2024. The Axie limitlessness, Axes, cost for August 2024 may in a real sense arrive at a really least worth of $8.48, while the fundamentally greatest determined cost basically is around $9.75. The truly normal cost for Axes certainly is essentially anticipated to for the most part reach $8.83 in August 2024, which in a real sense shows that Axie vastness value expectation February 2024, Axie limitlessness cost by and large, is supposed to generally reach between $6.69 to $7.61 in February 2024, while the all things considered normal cost of Axes for the February in every practical sense stays around $7.40 Axie boundlessness value figure walk 2024. The extremely normal cost of Axie vastness, Axes, could truly go to $7.62 toward the finish of walk 2024 in a fundamentally significant manner. Axie endlessness value conjecture September 2024. In September 2024, the very most extreme cost for Axie limitlessness could in a real sense stretch around $10.10, or so they in every practical sense thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Axes in September 2024 essentially is $8.81 with an in every way that really matters normal cost of $9.09 as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie boundlessness value gauge October 2024. The exceptionally normal cost of Axie limitlessness, Axes, could in every way that really matters go to $9.46 toward the finish of October 2024, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axes could truly be exchanging around an essentially greatest worth of $10.56, with the exceptionally least expected cost of $9.11, or so they sort of thought. Axie boundlessness value expectation November 2024. The cost of Axie limitlessness in every way that really matters is truly anticipated to sort of reach at a genuinely least worth of $9.46 in November 2024, showing how Axie endlessness value gauge July 2024. In July 2024, the greatest cost for Axie vastness could basically stretch around $9.32. The Axes cost could really arrive at a greatest worth of $11.03, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $9.74 all through 2024, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie vastness value expectation December 2024. The cost of Axie endlessness explicitly is basically anticipated to generally reach at any rate worth of $9.65 in December 2024, which in every way that really matters is very huge. The Axes cost could truly arrive at a most extreme worth of $11.52, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $9.94 all through 2024, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie boundlessness past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging